Morning, all of you, dear students. During this lockdown periods and shutdown periods, most of coaching centers are providing online coaching. So, with keeping with view, our Science Academy is also imparting coaching, online coaching, and I think if you watch this video, you can learn something better than that you are learning in your classes. Today I shall give you English class. Dear students, today we will discuss regarding grammar. Before discussing the topic, I think what is grammar? If you are asked what is grammar, grammar, the word grammar derives from the Latin word grammatica, which means art of writing or rule of writing. Grammar is a set of rules that helps a learner how to write and speak a sentence in a correct and effective manner. Okay? Now I am going to teach you the topic regarding passivization. It means active and passive sentence. How we can make passive sentences from active sentence? You may ask me question, sir, what is active sentence? An active sentence is a sentence in which actions are done directly by the subject. But in passive sentence, the object is done by the subject. So, this is the difference between active and passive sentence. Active sentence, an active sentence is constituted by S plus V plus O. That means subject, verb and object. Example, he makes tea. Look at the sentence, he makes tea. Here he subject, makes verb, tea object. This is the constitution of the active sentence: subject, verb and the object. When we will make the sentence into passive, its formation will be like this. Here T is object, so T is made by him. Observe what sort of difference you marked in the active sentence. Here T is object. In the passive sentence, the object T became subject of the sentence. Okay. Now I shall teach you the passive form of the active sentences, tense and aspect wise. Present simple. We will start from present simple. Present simple. If the active sentence is in present simple, how you can make it into passive? Rule. Subject plus is oblique am, oblique are plus verb third form plus agent. Example, he makes coffee. Here he subject, makes verb, coffee object. I have told you that the object of an active sentence becomes the subject of the passive sentence, and we will change the active sentence into passive by adapting the role. S means coffee, coffee, then is, coffee is, third form of the verb make, made, coffee is made, he by him. Okay, its negative form, he does not make coffee. What will be its passive form? Coffee is not made by him. Coffee is not made by him. Coffee is not made by him. If the sentence is in interrogative form, suppose does he make coffee? Does he make coffee? How the sentence can be formed into passive? See, is coffee made by him? Now I am telling the rule how the interrogative sentence can be made into passive. Its rule is oblique am oblique are plus subject plus verb third form plus agent. These are the sentences of present simple, and we change the active sentence of a present simple into passive by adapting the rule. Then, suppose the sentence is in present progressive. How the present progressive sentences can be made into passive? Rule: present progressive. Rule: subject plus is oblique am oblique are plus being plus verb third form plus agent. By adopting this rule, we can change the active sentence into passive. Let us a sentence be taken. Suppose he is drawing a picture. He is drawing a picture. See, here he subject is drawing verb, a picture object. Try to make into passive by adopting the rule. I have told you that the object of active sentence becomes the subject of passive sentence. So here a picture, then is am are, a picture is being drawn. A picture is being drawn by him. Next example. Neha is painting a picture. Here a picture is being painted by Neha. A picture is being painted by Neha. This way you can frame all types of present progressive sentences into passive by adopting the rule like subject is am are plus being plus verb third form plus agent. Now we'll discuss regarding how present perfect sentences can be made into passive. The present perfect sentences can be made into passive by adopting the rule present perfect progressive. Present perfect sentence. Rule: subject plus have oblique has plus been plus verb third form plus agent. All the present perfect sentences can be made passive by adopting the rule for subject have oblique has plus been plus verb third form plus agent. Example: he has coined a new project. He has coined a new project. That means he has created a new project. How the sentence can be made into passive? A new project. Here subject, verb, object. So a new project has been. A new project has been coined by him. A new project has been coined by him. Suppose they have organized all the meetings. They have organized all the meetings. Here all the meetings subject, have organized verb, they subject. So the object of active sentence here, all the meetings have been organized by them. This way we can frame passive sentence from active sentence by adopting the rule. Now we will try to make passive form of past sentences. How past sentences can be made into passive? Simple past. Exactly the same rule that you adopted in present simple and the past simple, the verb will be changed into past form. Example: he made a project. The sentence is in present simple, he made a project. Here he subject, made verb, a project object. How we will change the sentence into passive? A project was made by him. A project was made by him. A project was made by him. So its rule subject plus was oblique were plus verb third form plus agent. By following the rule, we can change all the simple past sentences into passive. Another example: he drew a map of India. He drew a map of India. Here a map of India object. So it will be the subject. A map of India was drawn by him. If the sentence is in interrogative, suppose how an interrogative sentence of past simple can be made into passive. Rule: was oblique where plus subject plus verb third form plus agent. Was oblique where plus subject plus verb third form plus agent. By adopting this rule, we can change an interrogative sentence of a simple past into passive. Example: did he make coffee? Did he make coffee? How the sentence will be changed into passive? You can change the sentence into passive by was coffee made by him. Was coffee made by him. Now we will learn how past progressive sentences can be made into passive. Past progressive sentence. Past progressive. Rule: subject plus was oblique where plus being plus verb third form plus agent. You can change the sentence of a past progressive by adopting the rule like subject was oblique where plus being plus verb third form plus agent. A sentence: Neha was drawing a picture. Neha was drawing a picture. The sentence is in past progressive. So now we will change the sentence into passive by adopting the rule. A picture was being drawn. A picture was being drawn by Neha. A picture was being drawn by Neha. Next, suppose the sentence is in interrogative. How you can make into passive? Was Neha drawing a picture? Was Neha drawing a picture? Its passive form will be was a picture being drawn. Was a picture being drawn by Neha? These are the rules which will help you how to change passive form from active sentence. If the sentences are in past progressive, then past perfect sentence. Now we will discuss regarding past perfect sentences, how they can be changed into passive. Rule: past perfect sentence. past perfect. Rule: subject plus had plus been plus verb third form plus agent. Example: he had collected some good books. Suppose the sentence, he had collected some good books. Here some good books are object, he subject, had collected verb. So now we will change the sentence into passive. Some goods book, so some good books had been collected by him. Okay, this way we can change all the past sentences from active to passive aspect wise by adopting the rule that I taught now. Next, I shall teach you how you can change the modal constructed sentences into passive. I think you know the sentences which are made by using modals. Modals like can, could, shall, should, may, might, must. These are called modals. If the sentences are constructed by the help of these modals, or how the modal constructed sentences can be made into passive. Single rule. Here, single rule. By adopting this single rule, you can change all modal constructed sentences into passive. Rule: subject plus modals plus be plus verb third form plus agent. By adopting this rule, you can change all the modal constructed sentence into passive. Example: I can change the rule. Here I subject can change verb, the rule object. Now we'll change the sentence into passive. Rule: subject, modals plus be plus verb third form plus agent. So in this sentence, the rule is the object and it will be used as subject in the passive sentence. Example: the rule can plus be can be verb third form changed. The rule can be changed by me. Next, he could manage the meeting. Here meeting is object, so the meeting can be managed by him. Another example: you must pay tax. In time. Its passive form will be that tax in time. must be paid, or tax must be paid in time by you. This way you can frame all the passive formation of active sentences if the sentences are modal constructed. This is the rule how to change an active sentence into passive, and if you follow the rules, I think you can change all the active sentence into passive. Dear students, this is the class that I offer you to learn how to frame passive sentence from active sentence. In my next class, I shall teach you how direct sentence can be made into indirect. Watch the video and learn. Thanks all of you. Your Santosh sir.